In another 2 days, you will no longer have to go all the way to the Madaraka Express Syokimau Station to get your train ticket to Mombasa or any of the train stops. Now, in what has come as a somewhat late introduction, now Kenya Railways will, on the 23rd of September, that is on Saturday, begin operating an SMS shortcode. Get this, that's a *639# that passengers can use to book, pay, and even cancel tickets for the Madaraka Express. Now, according to Kenya Railways, the code will assist passengers to make up to 5 bookings at a go, and will also allow Kenyans to purchase tickets up to 7 days in advance. Now, the platform uses Safaricom's mobile payment network, that's M-Pesa, and it is not clear how much you will be charged or to users, that is, based on the tickets sold. Now, Kenya Railways cautions that you need to have your national identification card upon checking in.